Landed stratified property is governed by Strata Act. That's why your car park is considered accessory parcel. So you will have dedicated car park spaces right in front of your house. It depends now what kind of landed property is it. Is it a townhouse? Is it a link house? Is it a bungalow? Is it a semi-D? What will differ here is whatever compound within your house area, that's your car park space. But when it's limited, then only you will need designated car park spaces. And in landed strata, there's common properties and accessory parcel. Accessory parcel, which means that your car park space that is 100% yours. If another neighbor park there, is actually illegal. In normal individual houses, right, whoever park first, who's one. But then when you have common properties, which means that all the roads is a shared responsibility between all residents. That's why you cannot chincai park anywhere. That's a designated visitor car park space, just like a condo. But the difference here is whether the residents or the JMB or the management committee wants to be very strict about it. For example, open house, all visitors park in front of the house, right? But it creates a congestion for the road. They can actually claim your car because the road actually belongs to the residents.